We have leaf filters on the detached. So I'm going to show you what they do. They don't just catch leaves and sticks and tree buds, but it also prevents a clog that's because of a swelled up and bloated chipmunk or squirrel. All right, get ready, because I heard something in here. There we go. So, a bird rescue. And trust me, when you have wildlife in your downspout, you'll hear it, especially if it's on the house. But those leaf filters will prevent squirrels, chipmunks, and birds from ending up basically, in an ill fate. They're going to be dead inside the downspout system, and then when they bloat, they end up clogging the line. We see it all the time. The vented clean out leaf filter will prevent that. So this time of the year, the trees are breaking bud and they're leafing out. So what happens is those buds, during strong winds, when storms come in, we got another big maple right there. What happens, these buds, they end up on the rooftops. Well, here, you can see there's some right there, just all over the ground. I mean, I could just randomly show you all those little red buds that have blown off of trees. So this leaf filter, it has a very coarse screen. So a lot of buds will get through. It'll catch some of them. Here's some wood. So this catches the big leaves, bark, sticks, twigs, so many tree buds. And don't worry about the buds that get through the screen. All the leaf filters that have a fine screen, they plug. So you want a coarse screen. After being in the industry for 39 years, I seen all the failure modes and all the products that were on the market. I knew the screen had to be really coarse. Don't try to catch everything that's small. That's not going to be the problem. This usually can float all the way down to the pop-up. No big deal. All right, let's see what this one looks like. Boy, it's almost identical. It's got a stick, a bunch of dry buds. Oh, looks like there's a piece of aluminum. No, this is not aluminum. This is some sort of a... I'm telling you, the roof pollution... Like, this is some sort of piece of nylon. Who knows how... Oh, I know how this got up on the roof. We hired a company to put Christmas lights up on the roof. That's how that got in. Well, the leaf filter caught it. That's it. Just grab all the piled up leaf buds. Don't worry about the few that squirt through, and know this. The screen is not going to clog, ever. It's not going to clog. When we get a really hard rain, it'll wash some of these buds out right to the pop-up. It'll pile a bunch of buds right here. No big deal. This thing will always work. It has no failure modes. We knew all the failure modes in all the other products on the market. So when it came time to make our own, we got it right. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up. It supports the channel. If you have any questions regarding this installation, leave them in the comment section. I'm your host, Robert Sherwood, and until the next video.